Hello, everyone. Welcome to this exciting journey. It's great to be here with you today. We're about to embark on a wonderful adventure together. I know that for some of you, the world of social media can seem a little daunting. It might feel like a whole new language. You might be hesitant to dive in, and that's completely understandable. Maybe you're worried about the technology or unsure where to begin. These feelings are normal and you're not alone. But I want to assure you that it's never too late to learn something new. With a little patience and practice, you'll get the hang of it. Social media offers wonderful opportunities to connect with loved ones, stay informed, and rediscover old passions. Imagine being able to see your grandchildren's latest photos or reconnect with an old friend. We're going to take things one step at a time. No rush, no pressure. Together, we'll explore the basics and address any concerns you might have. Feel free to ask questions and share your thoughts. Remember, millions of people just like you are enjoying the benefits of social media every day. Let's get started and make the most of this amazing tool. It's perfectly normal to feel a bit overwhelmed at first. The key is to start small. Begin by familiarizing yourself with one platform like Facebook or Instagram. Ask a family member or friend to show you the ropes. They can help you create a profile and understand the basic functions. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Practice makes perfect. Spend a few minutes each day exploring your chosen platform. Look at photos, read posts, and try sending messages to friends and family. Remember, everyone starts somewhere. With a little patience and practice, you'll be navigating the digital world with confidence. Privacy is a top priority for everyone. In today's digital age, protecting your personal information online is more important than ever. The good news is that social media platforms offer various privacy settings to control who sees your information. These settings are designed to give you peace of mind and ensure that your personal details remain secure. Take some time to explore these settings and customize them to your comfort level. It's worth investing a few minutes to understand how each option works and what it means for your privacy. You can choose to share your posts publicly or only with specific people. This way, you have control over who can see your updates, photos, and personal thoughts. Be mindful of what you share online. Think twice before posting anything that could be used to identify you or locate you in real life. Avoid posting sensitive information like your home address, phone number, or financial details. These pieces of information can be exploited by malicious individuals if they fall into the wrong hands. Remember, if you're ever unsure about something, it's always best to err on the side of caution. When in doubt, it's better to keep certain details private rather than risk sharing too much. Don't hesitate to reach out to the platform's help center or ask a trusted friend or family member for guidance. They can provide valuable advice and help you navigate the complexities of online privacy settings. Unfortunately, like any online space, social media can attract scammers. But don't let that discourage you. By being aware of common tactics, you can easily outsmart them. Be wary of messages or posts that seem too good to be true, especially if they ask for personal information or money. Legitimate organizations will never ask for your passwords or financial details through social media. If you encounter a suspicious message or profile, report it to the platform immediately. Trust your instincts. If something feels off, it probably is. Remember, knowledge is power. By staying informed and vigilant, you can protect yourself from online scams. Staying positive, focusing on the good in social media. It's important to remember that social media should be an enjoyable experience. While it's essential to be aware of potential downsides, don't let negativity overshadow the positive aspects. Focus on connecting with people who share your interests and values. Join groups, follow inspiring pages, and engage in conversations that uplift and motivate you. Remember, you have the power to curate your online experience. Choose to follow accounts that bring you joy, knowledge, and a sense of community. Social media can be a wonderful tool for fostering positivity and connecting with like-minded individuals. Connecting with loved ones, social media as a bridge. One of the most rewarding aspects of social media is its ability to bridge geographical distances and keep us connected with loved ones. In today's fast-paced world, staying in touch with family and friends can be challenging, especially when they live far away. Social media platforms offer a convenient and effective way to maintain these important connections. Through platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, you can share photos, videos, and updates about your life with family and friends near and far. These platforms allow you to celebrate milestones, share daily moments, and keep everyone updated on your life events. Whether it's a birthday celebration, a holiday gathering, or just a simple day-to-day update, social media makes it easy to stay involved in each other's lives. Video calls have become increasingly popular, allowing you to see and interact with loved ones in real time, no matter where they are in the world. This face-to-face interaction can make conversations more personal and meaningful, helping to strengthen relationships. The ability to see facial expressions and hear voices adds a layer of connection that text messages alone cannot provide. Social media can help combat feelings of isolation and loneliness, especially for seniors who may live alone or have limited mobility. Engaging with others online can provide a sense of community and belonging. It opens up opportunities to join groups, participate in discussions, and even make new friends who share similar interests and hobbies. It provides a platform to stay in touch, share experiences, and feel closer to those who matter most. By staying connected, seniors can maintain a vibrant social life, which is crucial for mental and emotional well-being. Social media is not just a tool for communication. It's a bridge that brings people together, fostering relationships and creating a supportive network that spans across the globe. Troubleshooting tech troubles. Help is always available. Technical difficulties are a part of life, and social media is no exception. But don't let a little glitch discourage you. Remember that help is always available. Most platforms have comprehensive help centers with articles and tutorials to guide you through common issues. Don't hesitate to ask a tech-savvy friend, family member, or neighbor for assistance. They might be able to walk you through the problem or offer helpful advice. Local libraries and community centers often offer free technology classes, which can be a great way to learn new skills and gain confidence in using social media. Embracing the journey. You've got this. Congratulations on taking the first steps towards embracing the world of social media. Remember, it's a journey, and like any new adventure, it comes with its learning curve. Be patient with yourself, celebrate your progress, and don't be afraid to ask for help along the way. With a little effort and a positive attitude, you'll be amazed at the connections you'll make and the joy social media can bring. So go ahead, dive in, and start exploring the exciting possibilities that await. You've got this.